Go for it.
You get a jacket, or even if you have like a heavier coat, it'll help you. You'll have a little more. I'm so skinny. He's reaching a long way before he gets any.
Hasn't missed. Way down right.
I lost my concentration there.
Number 22, right?
When you lose your concentration, don't break the shot. What? Bring your life down, rest for a little bit. You know, don't break a crappy shot if you know you're gonna do it. Take it too long, stop, relax, get your breathing back, and then bring it back up again. No reason to rush.
Two left.
Two left.
What was that?
Miss.
You're doing pretty well.
20 years.
All hands hard.
20 years of a team like the Saints, you know,
More.
Oh, they are. Wow.
See the hawk fly across?
I saw something. I didn't want to take my eyes off.
Yeah, there's a hawk going right across the whole fire plant.
Call it
You know
ceasefire.
the numbers?
Yep.
Should have called it ceasefire.
Oh, yeah, that's a 10.
10.
Now, how did I hold it that time?
Yeah, no, that's
Play back the video.
yeah.
10. Good job. Got one more, your last shot of the day.
Yep.
See how well you do, Dad. Make it an X. Make it an X. Come on. Did you shoot?
No, I'm looking at the hawk.
Distraction on the range.
Yeah, he caught something. Dinner. Yep. Let's go follow him on.
I like that to work.
No.
I rushed that one because I thought he said that was the end.
No, that's okay. No, he was just saying that.
He's firing the fire line.
He was saying keep it quiet on the firing line with other people.
I know. See, I told you. I probably threw that one away. I got a good shot.
Right, magazine out, safety on.
Coming up.
Yeah, it's a 5 at like 10 o'clock.
Oh, 5. All right. That's a good gun. Say goodbye.
Offense never an ego boost, that's for sure.